Old na to, as in centuries na siguro to. No?
Same siya dun sa isang building kanina.
Okay, so we're inside. These are, dito tayo. Okay. Ang ganda. There's a briefing from our he's here. Let's listen. يلا يلا.
بقول لك هم تبع ايه؟ يونسكو. Okay, now we are standing in the Qasaba, in the street that known as Al-Mu'izz Street. This street, one of the most important streets in Cairo, because every sultan and emir or king would like to have a monument here in this street. Among these monuments is this one that we are standing in front of it, which is the complex of Sultan Qalawun. Sultan Qalawun was one of the Mamluk Sultan. Mamluk Sultan who ruled Egypt here in 1450 AD. Okay, they ruled here in Egypt as a sultan, and they started to build many monuments and many architectural projects. One which is complex, the architectural units, such as we have the dome. The sultan will be buried inside this dome, and as you can see, you can find the dome overlooking this. Why? Can you guess why?
Why?
The dome is overlooking the street itself.
Wow.
Oh yeah, you're right. Because he would like the people, if anyone passing here to see his dome, and so he making like prayers and the blessing, sending him when he on his afterlife, which is one of the architectural ideas that was inherited throughout the ages in Egypt. Okay. Also, we have here a mosque called al-Madrasa, like an institution or college. This college was, its function was to perform prayers, and also at the same time to teach the students the Islamic law and everything belongs to us. This was like a university, like almost, it's like everything belongs to the Muslim during that time. Also, we have here anyone here from Spain? No one from Spain. This didn't have an effect from Ishbilia, something called Khiralida. Khiralida in Spain, which is taking the square shape as you can see. Its function was to call for prayers. Here, in order to make you listen me well, I'm talking from a higher place, in order to make you listen me well. Also the same idea is using the minaret to call for prayer, to call the people to